Simultaneous equations part 2. We're going to be solving simultaneous equations by the method of substitution. We'll do this by working through two examples. Example 1. Let us solve y equals 2x plus 1 and 3x plus 2y equals 37. So we have two unknowns, y and x, and we have two equations. So we can solve this, and we'll do the method of substitution as follows. We've got two equations, equation 1 and 2, and we notice that we have an expression for y in equation 1. So what we can do is we can take this whole expression for y and substitute it into equation 2, and replacing the y value in equation 2 with the right hand side of this equation. And now we have one equation which we can solve for x, as y has been eliminated from this equation. Okay, so expanding the bracket, we've got 3x plus 4x plus 2 equals 37. 3x plus 4x is 7x. We can subtract 2 from both sides there. So now we've got 7x is equal to 35. We'll divide both sides by 7 to get x on its own, and x is 5. So we've got a value for x. So we look at our two equations and we can say, okay, which equation could we substitute this x value into? I would say equation 1 is probably the easiest, as we can just substitute x for 5 here and we'll get an expression for y. So substituting x equals to 5 into the equation, we get y is equal to 10 plus 1, which is 11. So therefore, the solutions to the simultaneous equations, y equals 2x plus 1 and 3x plus 2y is 37, are x equals 5 and y equals 11. Example 2. Solve y equals 2x minus 4 and 4x minus 3y is 6. We've got two unknowns, y and x, and we've got two equations. So let us solve this. We can do the same, equation 1 into equation 2 to find a value for x. So we'll take this 2x minus 4 and replace that for equation 2. We'll expand the bracket, so I'll break them up this way, and we've got minus 3 times 2x will be minus 6x. Minus 3 times minus 4 is positive 12. So we've got 4x minus 6x, well that's minus 2x. Subtract 12 from both sides. What we get is 2x minus 2x is equal to minus 6. And we can solve for x, dividing both sides by negative 2. And x is 3. And like the previous example, we can substitute x equals to 3 in the first equation. And what we'll get is y is equal to 6 minus 4, y is equal to 2. Therefore, the solutions to the simultaneous equations y equals 2x minus 4 and 4x minus 3y equals 6 are x equals 3 and y equals 2. And that's the substitution method.